Hey, what's up, Seth? This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking on this video, taking the time to watch it. I spoke with Jennifer yesterday morning. She wanted me to send you guys over just a quick video on some things I saw you could do to help improve your online presence and bring in more customers through your website. Now, after doing a little bit more research myself, it looks like you guys primarily deal with attic insulation, radiant barrier. I'm actually familiar with vaguely. I used to work for a remodeling company. We offered a radiant barrier as well. So that's pretty cool that you guys do that. So the things I want to go over is how to make you guys' website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to make it rank in the local map packs, okay? So based on what I see here, starting off with looking at you guys' website, it looks great, right? It looks really modern. You have nice pictures, a lot of logos. You guys are, vouched for by Home Advisor, Angie's List. So that's great. You guys definitely have a lot of content. I mean, to be considered authoritative, you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words, which it looks like you guys are at least uh, close to 1,000 words. Just make sure you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 though. You want to have around that amount just to be considered authoritative. If you don't have that enough, if you don't have that much, Google's not going to see that you guys really have enough content to answer your consumers' questions. Don't get me wrong, I obviously you guys are getting a lot of business in. Your website looks good because we're visual creatures by humans. Just make sure you guys have more content there. Now, I'm gonna go over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives us a lot of really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. And this is gonna right now I want to touch on excuse me, how to make your website more trustworthy. Well, actually, now that I'm looking at it, so that's going to be determined off of what we call the golden ratio. This is your URL rating versus your domain rating, and how many referring domains are pointing back to you guys, right? Relevant websites that refer to you and kind of vouch for you, so to speak. You can see you have 316, which is a lot. That is great. Going over to one of your competitors, Sam's Heating and Air Conditioning, we plugged their same information in here. So they actually have less than you guys. So you guys are doing great in that standpoint. But one thing I kind of want to dive into as well is it also shows us the keywords that you guys are ranking for. Now, again, I know you guys are primarily an attic insulation company, but I believe Jennifer told me, Seth, that you're kind of the head of the HVAC department. So some things that I did notice for improvement there is because Sam's Heating and Air, right? They're getting 1,300 people a month clicking on their website. They only do HVAC, but the thing is you guys could come in and take some of that traffic, okay? What you'd want to do is in the content on your HVAC service page, go in and rank for these keywords that you guys are ranking for as well for like your radiant barrier, like attic insulation Fort Worth. You're on the second position for that. Only 40 people a month are searching that, but you guys are, on average getting those 40 people per month. So if you go in and tweak those same keywords and add an HVAC installation and make them buyer intent, you guys are going to take some of that traffic from Sam's Heating and Air if you so choose to, right? And the last thing I want to talk about is how to get ranked in this local map pack. Again, why companies like Sam's Total Heat and Air are getting a lot of this HVAC business as well, which I know is important to you guys ultimately because people go and invest in re-insulating their attic. You more times than not in an older house, you're gonna have to supplement that with replacing the HVAC system if it hasn't already been done. So that's just why I'm kind of harping on this. If you guys wanted to take on more of that HVAC business, go and get yourself listed in directories. Find the exact same company or directories that Sam's is listed in, that they have their business name, address, and phone number, and go copy the exact same ones, add 50 to 100 more, and do that with tweaking those keywords as well. You guys are guaranteed to get some of their traffic and kind of expanding your HVAC department. So, quick recap, Seth. Again, we went over content. You have a lot. Just make sure you guys have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words and tweak some of those keywords to make them buyer intent and more specific to your HVAC department as well. Chime on that. Go in and copy some of these other backlinks that your competitors might have as well. Again, you guys are already ahead of them. Just make sure that you have some of the same ones that are relevant to your website to point back to you. And citations. Get your business name, number, address, and phone number listed in as many directories as Sam's have, then double it or at least add 50 to it. So that's all I got, Seth. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to give me a call back. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682 269 6391. Again, that's 682 269 6391. Thanks so much, Seth. Have a great day. Bye.